Hello, I am Nitesh Pradhan from Virtual Automation Based Online Summer Internship Program. In this video, we will learn about the servo motors. Okay, so for that, how we can simulate the servo motor. So let's come here and take one servo motor. You can write and you can flip vertically. Okay, after that, okay, so now take one Arduino Uno. Okay, and now this one is signal VCC. So we will connect this VCC with the okay. We can connect this ground. Sorry, this ground with the ground, and we will connect this with the this signal. It is signal that okay. So here the VCC with the 5 volt and ground with the ground, and after that signal with the signal. Okay, we can do this thing. Now let's try to write copy and paste one code. Okay, required and so because let's come on the file example and try to come below. Okay, example extra example trying to come below. Okay, there is okay servo strip. Okay, at the servo strip. So you can take the servo strip. Okay, so now in this servo strip we will see one. Okay, this code has been designed by the Michel Similar. Okay, and Arduino in 2013 he had designed this code. Okay, now this code includes servo. Okay, here we are including in the previous 2 to 3 exercise we had see how to initialize, but we are including anything. Why we are including we are including servo.h. Servo.h is the header files. Okay, we are so in the previous video we don't use any kind of external library. It is a servo library. Okay, designed by the Michel okay Michel Similar. So we are including that library on our this programming platform in our sketch. Okay, in our sketch. Now servo. So here we are calling that library servo library by using the servo.h. Now we are okay, now here we are creating one servo object. Okay, the servo object, and the name of the servo object is my servo. Okay, the one subject the servo object, but the name of the servo object is my servo. And now after that, so we are initializing. Okay, so we are initializing. Now under the byte setup we are declaring. Okay, we are defining. So we are defining my servo attach pin number 2, my servo attach pin number 2. Okay, now in the while loop, inside the while loop, initialize the position. We are initializing the position. Okay, so we are initializing the position. So we can initialize outside and we can initialize inside also. So here we are initialize inside the loop. Okay, but what happen when we initialize outside of loop? That so we can use that object anywhere on the code. But if you will initialize anything inside the loop, then you can use that object inside on that particular loop only. Okay, so here so we are using inside the for loop. Inside the while loop we are using the for loop. Okay, because the for loop is finite and this for loop will run 0 to 180 time. Why? Because the initial position of because the 0 to 180 so it will be 181 time. Okay, it will be 181 time. Okay, because our initial position is 0 and the final position is 180. And why our position will change? It will change with the increment of 1. Okay, now so look at here, it will go 0 to 180 degree. It will go 0 to 180 degree. It means total 181 terms. Okay, in one step 1 degree. Okay, so this is showing the steps. So one step 1 degree. Okay, so now it will be now here it will be increased 0 to 180 degree, 0 after that 1, after then 2, then 3 to 180 degree, and one each and every step has 1 degree. For the now we are, so here what is the name? My servo. In my servo we are, what we are doing, we are writing what the position, the position. So what is the position? Position is this, we are initializing the position, so position value is directly. Okay, so after that now here, so after that here we can okay, we are writing the position value, which will be going to which will on the increasing order. When it will, when this for loop will finish, okay, when this for loop will finish, for loop is starting from this, okay, this, okay. After that again we are using one for loop, okay. Here for loop at for loop is stop. After that we are using one more for loop, and now this for loop will be decreased, so value will go 180 to 0, okay, and it will decrease, and step is -1, okay, every step 1 degree. So let's copy the text, okay, control A, control C, paste, save. This is just a text. To convert this text into code, save, go on the text, and now make a folder again for the S, okay, S servo, okay. Inside the servo, write down here servo, servo, servo 1, okay. Now this is our code. Now hit the compile button. Now hit the compile button. Okay, and I am expecting the successful compilation, okay, because the servo library is included also. Okay, so compilation has been successful. Now again, sorry, now we need to press the build button, sorry, upload button. Now upload and run. So if you want to set up, if you want to set up it into the uh, okay, let's try to change this value till 90. Okay, what will happen, we'll see. Let's try to the setup 90, okay, 90, and it will be 90 more, 90, show, compile. It will take 1 minute for compile. Okay, upload and run. Okay, so you can change the value, okay, but so now thank you for watching this video.